personality. So, our communication habits, we do that in the presence of others. However, the third quadrant is our hidden self. Those are information about you that you know but others don't know. Diba? Private ko yan on these matters. And this is also known as the hidden, avoided area, avoided self, or your facade. Others would say, you want to say, oh, okay, okay, it's facade. Facade because it's superficial, and you seem to shield or you block others. That they would not know kung ano ang imong na tutuotin nga, pangatasan, or ang imong nga self. This would be your private feelings and emotions that you don't share or disclose or you don't manifest, and others can observe that to you. And your secrets, they say, sabi kayo mga DFG. I see your hands. Sunod din may mga DFG. May mga bed, oh yeah, very brave siya makambal, may GF siya. So, is mahambal ka, ihatag ko sa imo langit. Ang mga the moon and the stars. So, you give your all to that person. Ano din ang quote silicon? Self-awareness is giving a part of yourself, of your thoughts, but hindi paghihatag tanan mo sekreto, wala sa imo nga bestie, o sa imo nga boyfriend, o sa imo nga girlfriend. Because you also may have participate the time that not all relationship with other people would be forever. So kung in-share mo itong imo secret, ay wala na, inapistahan ka na sa mga barkada niya. Break mo sa mo, ayaw natago, sumugin din ako. Wala ka na rin sa mga kaugalingan. So labad ka niya sa kanan. Or your undisclosed values and beliefs that others didn't see, your hidden talents or aspirations na ginatago mo lang sa cellphone na wala ko pa naman sa ibang tao. And then your unspoken preferences. Others would say, ay, maano ka mo out na siya college ka out. Sa elementary, tayo kahiman na sa iya. Pag high school, tayo himan na siya kapon. Sa pag-college, alam ka, ay, nagpinakain na siya. Nagkainangalan niya. Kaya na yung mga preferences. Because those are that's a hidden self. Pinatago mo pa. And it will come out later in different ways. So the fourth quadrant of the self is your unknown self. It's a known area. You do not know this and others do not know this of you. This would be your talents, your untapped potential. Ara galing na sa imo later man, but it triggered, pagduha siya. The best thing is, your latent abilities, your unconscious motives, nagkakabingil ng na-repress mo nga emotions and experiences. So later, kung din-repress mo na siya, the emotions and your experiences, if triggered, it will come out later in undesirable ways. So hindi, hambal sila na, ay nagbuwagin siya sa iyang na head. Kaya ang mga unconscious self, in trigger, nagbuwag siya sa iyang kaya. Or, wala mo pa ma-discover, you need to discover your potentials, your talents, and your skills. And be mature enough as you age year by year, di ba? Nagadugang our knowledge, our skills, and our abilities. Nagadugang each year. So, later, we shall tap our untapped potentials that we have, our skills and talents. So, what is the importance of our Johari window, the four quadrants of ourselves? our blind area by soliciting feedback from other people, hearing from them. Ano mga comments nila? The constructive positive criticisms. So what happens? Nag-tutay na lang na open ang imo nga blind area. And then we go down to, if there is self-discovery and you expose yourself to others, you share yourself with others, ang hidden area mo, kamay man siya. At that point, ang imo nga anong area, you already discover something that you are good at, and the others share that discovery with you, ma-extend pa siya sa imo nga unknown area. But what? Siyempre, may believe ka for yourself, not all share mo sa ibang nga tao. And if it is known to you and unknown to others, you ask. You solicit feedback from other people. If it is known to others, it is known by others and unknown by others, you have to tell. Hello, I was telling you guys. Kahit hindi kung saan makakito din. Naintindihan mo lang. More or less. Kaya wala kang idea kung ano na to Harry yung window. What are the four quadrants of our cell? The four windows. Hello? Hello? The four quadrants of our windows. Ano na? Yes, please. The four quadrants. Four quadrants. Yes, please. Pero, Kira. Which of the four maarak subukan ninyo ang ulitin yourself? Yes, yes. Pero ha? Yes. Of the four quadrants, tingin ka na subong. What you give importance sa apat na quadrant? You just choose one. Okay. Open siya, do you have a appointment? Appointment ko yan. Open ka sa mga friends mo. So they know, wala ka pinakagumigin. Wala ka secrets that you hold on to yourself. Nagibigin mo sa self mo. Okay, problems. Concerns with family. Okay. So, maski ang close friends mo, wala ka na-share sa ila. Pero, limited na, syempre. Those are the people that you trust most. Ang pinashare mo sa ino mga problems within the family. So, personal growth is refers to, of course, ongoing process of our self-improvement. Kung ina-improve ang self-love, develop ang aton self with the various aspects of our life. So, dinigapon your knowledge, your skills, your abilities, and as well as enhancing emotional intelligence and self-awareness. How do you understand your emotional intelligence? The idea, producer, emotional intelligence. How Sorry. Emotional intelligence. Dapat tayo na halin pa sa elementary ka mo, ang high school ka mo. What's it about? Say by the classmate.
Ano pa po siyempre? Yung may sa ilong mo.
Learning